Hey there, so I got this voltage tester sent to me free of charge from KAIWEETS, KAIWEETS, and you never have too many of these. I like to have one here at the house, one in my barn, and one back at my other home. So real easy to change the batteries on here. There's just a screw top here. It came with two AAA batteries. It's got a power button on the front. Turns it on. There is a flashlight for hard to see areas, and there's a sensitivity level, so it either goes from 70 volts to 1,000 volts or 12 volts to 1,000 volts, so you can go down in sensitivity. We're going to hook up and build a sauna here, and there was wiring already in the wall here. I'm pretty sure that this was tied to a breaker. There used to be, I think the washer and dryer used to be here. So we've been flipping on breakers to figure out if this is a still hooked up outlet, and I believe it is, so we're going to test it here. This is a high voltage one, so we're just going to check over here. And so this is still hooked up, so we'll need to throw the breaker before we do any work on that. So just checking it over here on 110 outlets. We know that our outlets are hooked up here. Come in, zoom in here and show what it looks like when it's detecting. So there you go, it shows your percentage. And I can't actually read what it says there, but very handy to have, good to know when you are working around electrical to make sure that your outlets are completely shut off at the breaker. Not just like this, there's still power going to the wires in between there, just not to power an outlet. So or to power a device via the outlet. So anyway, this is a great way to stay safe and make sure that you're only working on wiring that's been shut off. Thanks for watching.